And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to change the default style of objects. When you create objects, let me create simple ones that are red. And if I change the color and I create the same objects, they will inherit the last style. So they have the same fill color, no stroke in this case. But you can also set the default style of these objects. So if you, for example, always want to have black rectangles, let me make one black and I put it to the right side. Make sure that it's selected, then go to Edit, Preferences, and under Tools, you have to open Shapes. So there's another drop down, click on a rectangle and change it from last used style to this tool's own style. For the ellipse, the same, in this case it's red. So I click on Take from Selection. So this is our black rectangle. And now it is changed to also a black fill. Let me close this. And now if I select, for example, this green one first, I've got my green fill. And if I create a rectangle and an ellipse, they're automatically black. If I make them red, it's still like that. You can do that for all the basic shapes. So also the star, 3D box and spiral. And this is how you can set this default style of objects in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.